Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's August the 4th, coming at you with another video here. Today we're going to give you an update on Profit Engine. Week 7 has completed and they have a 1.4% for the weekly returns, which is 5,943 BUSD. It's looking good again. This is kind of on the lower end, but it's still above their average. They're looking for 4.8% monthly, and they've been doing well above that, actually averaging 2.2 over the 7 weeks of the actual protocol that it's been running for when we've been getting rewards. And they have data back all the way to February, but we were receiving till about the past 7 weeks. So what do we have here? Let's get into it. They didn't give a number for the reserve fund, but they had $3,200 the previous week, and it went up to 39. They had a 1.8% last week, so I'm figuring we got about $500 give or take. So that reserve fund should be up to $4,500. So if we do have a down week, that's used to make sure that it covers losses, or maybe there's actual BSD rewards that are coming forward. Now, and stay tuned. We're going to give an update also on the next drop of rewards, or what they're not drop rewards, sorry, actually when they're going to do the sell from the treasury. So they have the date set for that. It's coming up actually in the next few hours, so stick around for the video on that. Again, this is not financial advice, just I'm an investor here, just trying to give you some information and go forward. So here we go, some of the metrics that they have. As you can see here, the bar graph shows kind of nicely what they've been doing, and they had a great week 4, but they had, again, good week again. Not too worried about it. Average return, like I say, 2.2. And things are still going up as well. So liking that. Let's kick over to the Telegram and we can talk about what's going on. So the Treasury Vault is going to be August 5th at 8 a.m. BST time. So what does that mean? Well, if you come into the Telegram, and I'll have the link in down below here. So if you want to get in there, you just click on this. It's about 4 hours and 35 minutes away. They've been doing a couple of one or two of these a week. The last one was 5K of supply available, and that sold out in like 30 seconds. So they've upped it to 20K of supply, which is going to happen in about 5 hours. It's going to be 1 a.m. in the morning for me, so I'm going to try and get in on that one because I missed out on the last week's piece. But yeah, this 20K supply, current price at 00275. So get in if you can. If not, look around and get into Telegram. They do post it on here, the information. So if you have trouble doing the time conversion, just look into that. And coming forward, we'll be keeping these updates going on a weekly basis as well. And if you like my content, please like and subscribe. This is Gordon coming back to you from Metaverse and Crypto.